Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best free plant app for beginners on iPhone. Right? So if you're new to Houseplants, Arrosa gives you a simple way to identify your plants and remember their basic care routine. So let me just go ahead and quickly show you how to download the app. So if you're currently watching the video using your phone, you can just go ahead over to App Store, tap on it, and then just use the search function at the bottom and tap on the search bar. Now type down Arrosa, Arrosa, the plant water tracker. Go ahead and tap on it. Now there'll be a get button right here. Just go ahead and tap on get and you'll be good to go. Now another option to download it is by using your camera. So as you might have noticed, into the right hand side of your screen, you have a QR code. So go ahead and point your camera onto the QR code and then just tap on App Store right here at the very bottom. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads again, just tap on get to install the app for free. So once that's installed, tap on open. And here we have our dashboard. So to go ahead and add in your first plant, you could either tap on add my first plant right here at the very top or add at a blank space right here on your screen. So add, for example, now you could go ahead and add in a photo by using your camera if you don't know the name of this specific plant. Or if you already know the name of that plant, let's say you have a lucky bamboo, just go ahead and type it down right here. And then Lucky Bamboo will be available. So just go ahead and tap on it and then add on Lucky Bamboo to your home tab. Now, another sample, tap on Add Plant. Go ahead and tap on Identify with a photo. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and face your camera onto this specific plant. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on Use Photo, just like so. Now, Arrosa right here will automatically identify the specific plant, and as you can see, it says the best match is a snake plant, and there are other possibilities right here if Arrosa is quite hesitant. So you have other possibilities like a jacana, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, a lucky bamboo. All right, so snake plant is correct, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on choose snake plant. Now we have two right here. For a free version of Arrosa, you can go ahead and add up to 5 plants. If you want to subscribe, you can go ahead and add up unlimited plants and photos. Also, you get adaptive reminders, a garden that feels like yours, and also exclusive widgets. All right. So it says here, our lucky bamboo and their snake plant needs watering. Now, if you want to make your life easier, you can just go ahead over to the top so that you don't need to browse through your plants right here one by one. Let's say start. Tap on it. Now, your lucky bamboo right here needs watering. But before you tap on one option right here, I'm going to explain it to you real quick. So go ahead and check the soil, all right, of your plant, if it's dry or damp. So if it's damp, go ahead and tap on soil still damp right here. And then Arrosa right here will go ahead and notify you in 2 to 3 days to check this lucky bamboo if it needs watering. Now, if the specific plant soil is dry, well, go ahead and water it. All right. Or maybe you've already watered it on another day. If you decide to water it today, do not forget to tap on I just watered it, just like so. Wait for it to load. And then here for our snake plant, check again, check the physical plant. If the soil is damp, select soil is damp. Then once done, just tap on the done button and all of your plants are happy. Now, when we go ahead over to our journal, we have our care plan right here at the very top. All right, this one. So it says here, our snake plants need to be watered in 3 days. You can tap on care plan right here to view all of your plants' status. Snake plant in 3 days, you get notified. Lucky bamboo in 9 days, you get notified as well. So close this one and scroll down. You'll have your logs right here for today and other days as well listed right here. So today we watered 1 plant because the other soil was still damp. All right, so 1 watering for this date. Now a cool thing right here, let's go ahead over to Quest. You could unlock more rewards right here. For example, watering cans, gardens. You'll be able to see the stars. Let's say my next reward would be a pearl watering can. So watering cans right here. Here we have the pearl watering can. So I can go ahead and use Prism because I've just unlocked it earlier. All right, and currently at level 6, you'll also unlock gardens, which you can go ahead and use for your widgets. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use dawn or day garden right here. I'm going to go ahead and check my widget right here. So if it doesn't pop out directly or on time, just tap on the widget. Now go ahead and go back to your home screen. As you can see here, it reflected. All right. Now, if you want to know how to add widgets, you can go ahead and check the channel out. We have a separate video for that. So again, going back to Arrosa, for free, you can add up to 5 plants. And again, if you want to subscribe to premium, just tap on the crown button at the bottom left. You can go ahead and subscribe annually or monthly. If you want to select annual, you have 7 days that you can cancel anytime. All right. Now, here are the perks: unlimited plants, reminders tailored to each plant's rhythm, a garden that feels yours, and exclusive widgets. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord. And the invitation link is in the description below. All right, so there you have it. So again, to install the app, use your camera or open up the App Store. So you'll have Arrosa for free. And that is the best free plant app for beginners on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.